If you want to make money on Fiverr as a graphic designer, there's 5 things you need to know. I'm going to share with you those 5 things, plus how you can make up to $1,560 a week as a graphic designer on Fiverr. I'm also going to show you how the best graphic designers are winning on Fiverr and how you can copy their exact strategy for your business. Let's get this money. If you want to make money online in 2021, you're going to need to make sure that people can find you. Or else, let's face it, nobody's going to give you any money if they can't find you. Websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork make it really easy for people to find you and hire you for your graphic design services. Hey everyone, I'm Nick Newsome. I've been a seller on Fiverr for over 2 years now, and I want to share with you some of the tips that I've learned along the way that have brought me a lot of success. Fiverr has been a great business asset for me, and it's increased my business tenfold. And I know it can really do the same for you in your business, and I want to share those tips with you. But before we get into that, I put together a checklist for graphic designers who want to rapidly accelerate their growth on Fiverr. If you want my Fiverr marketing hacks checklist, go ahead and click the link down in the description to grab it. Okay, number 1. In order to get started on Fiverr, you're going to need to have a seller's profile. If you need help with setting up your profile, go ahead and check out the video up above. I put it together for beginners. It's a quick and easy way for you to set up your profile. I'm gonna take you through the whole process, hold you by the hand, and help you get set up. Number 2, okay, next let's cover the potential money that you can make on Fiverr, which is probably one of the most important things because we wanna find out how much money you can make and is Fiverr even worth it? All right, so for this, we're gonna go into my screen and we're gonna go check out a couple profiles on Fiverr and see how much some graphic designers are making. All right, so here we are on Fiverr. Let's go ahead and type in graphic design and see what comes up. All right, Fiverr graphic design is a search term. We scroll down a little bit, and then here we go. So basically, this is what you're gonna see, what a buyer is gonna see when they come to Fiverr and they start looking for help and services. You know, you gotta have your thumbnail up. You gotta create some good thumbnails to attract attention. But I really wanna point out, this is what I wanna point out, and what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna showcase the top sellers in graphic design, and we're gonna look at what they're doing, how much money they're making, right? And then a little bit later in the video, we're gonna evaluate what they have set up in their gigs, how they're marketing themselves. So you can copy this for your business and you can have the same success that they're having. So right off the top, you know, what I look for is level 2 sellers and top rated sellers. Now, some of the differences in Fiverr are there's level 1 seller, level 2 seller, and then your top rated seller, which should be the overall goal in your strategy of marketing on Fiverr, you know, as you're on Fiverr. So you're gonna have a lot more that you can do on Fiverr when you're a top rated seller. Plus people really look for that, and they are more, the higher paying clients are gonna pay you better as a top rated seller. So, I mean, but level 2 is not bad. I'm a level 2 seller. I'm about to be a top rated seller, but level 2 is pretty good. You get paid pretty decent as a level 2 seller. But what I wanna focus on is how much money are they actually making. So right here, top rated seller, Idea Hits, he's got over 1,001 orders total completed in his Fiverr career. He's got 6 orders in the queue, and he has basic package, standard package, and premium package, which everyone will have as a Fiverr seller. You'll have 3 different packages that you can sell per gig. So let's start with the basic and take a look at that. So he's got 6 orders in the queue at $65. Let's pull up the calculator. And in the calculator, so we're gonna say 6 times 65 equals, so that's $390 on the low end. And then for the premium is $260. And then if we bring up the calculator again, we'll go 6 times 260, 260 equals $1,560. That's $1,560 that you can make in a week as a graphic designer. He's got 7 days delivery time, so that tells you right there that's within 7 days he can potentially make the $1,560. So $390 on the low end and $1,650 on the higher end as a top rated seller. Okay, and number 3, you have to copy what successful people have already done and are doing currently. So as you become a seller on Fiverr, or if you're already a seller on Fiverr, you have to look at what successful people are doing if you want to reach that level of success. So let's take a look at what they're doing and let's see if we can find anything that really resonates. So over here we have the top rated seller again, and I'm only going to look at top rated sellers or level 2, right? Because we just checked, we don't want to copy new sellers and we don't want to copy level 1 sellers. They just haven't reached the level of success that we're looking for. We want to find the people that are at the top and do what they're doing. By the way, if you're getting any value out of this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like videos like this and you want to see more of them. It also lets me know that you like this video, and I'll make more videos like this for you about graphic design and how to make money online and on Fiverr. All right, let's get back to the video. So right away, let's go with the top rated seller. I think we're just going to do this all together. Now he's doing web graphics, so that's something you can do. You could do web graphics as a graphic designer, print graphics. He has right here at $130, and then large format graphics. So look at what they're doing, and then you go down here and you want to look at what they have written in their description. Now this guy has, please contact me before ordering if you have any questions. Please keep this one in your gig description, because you really want to put this out there. It encourages people to start communication with you, and when people start communicating with you is when you get closer to the sale. And then he also notes, I'm not drawing any characters, cartoons, or illustrations. Okay, excellent. Why hire me? Why is this gig unique? No design is repeated, proper and fast communication, unlimited revisions. That's awesome. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Okay, awesome. All right, and he's got some good reviews. He's got, 5-star rating at over 1,000. Oh wow, he's got more than they showed up top. So just for this gig alone, he's got 1,001. Other thing that you want to do is really get some some thumbnails that stand out. Now this one really stands out. Like, I love that one. I think it just catches my eye right away. But he has no video here. He is a Fiverr's choice though. So, I mean, what I would do right here is follow people that have the Fiverr's choice. You want to focus on that. Another great technique to make money on Fiverr as a graphic designer is social media post design. And the reason I say this is because you can create templates that you can use again and again. Now, let's take a little bit of a look on Fiverr to see what's going on there and evaluate the gigs a little bit. So right here, social media post design. This is what came up. We're not seeing any top rated sellers. Oh, here we go. Here's a top rated seller right here. They'll design 20 unique social media posts and banner ads. So let's click on them. So that's the standard, and then the gold, and then the premium. 7 orders in the queue. And what's really great about these designs is once you create these designs, you can use these again and again. Like right here, this looks like it's either for real estate or something in that niche, luxury homes. And what you can do is you can create that design and you can sell that again and again. Like if people are looking for that, you can put in, posts and banner ads for real estate agencies, for realtors. If you were doing like a fitness, you could make it for a fitness niche, and you could sell these again and again. Not only that, but a lot of people do this and then they also sell them on Etsy. As you can see right here, people create their Etsy profiles, and then you can sell all your same templates that you do on Fiverr for specific customers. You can put them on Etsy, develop your profile, put them on Etsy, and sell them again. And people don't even, you just make them once and people can just buy them. And then what they can do is take those templates on Canva and do them themselves. So that's a really cheap way for you, an easy way for you to make money again and again from the same design. But this is all great, Nick, you say, and like, but what if I don't have the skills to make these templates? What if I don't have the skills to make these Instagram carousel posts? Well, I'm glad you asked that, because what we need to do is go and take a course and learn how to do some graphic design. Once you take a course on Fiverr, and this is a really good idea, so not only are you going to learn the skills that they know are in demand here on Fiverr from one of these courses, but you're also going to get a badge. So in that badge, it's going to tell other buyers that you know what you're doing, that you have the skill set to be, to perform on the tasks that you say you will. So under graphic design, we have creating identity systems, logo design fundamentals, symbol design for branding, photo manipulation in Adobe Photoshop. So you can keep going on over here, and they even have more courses. So I would highly recommend that you take a course from Fiverr Learn. They're not too expensive. Brand strategy and design for small business. I think this is probably going to be a really good one. Here's some features about this Fiverr Learn course. Learn how to be the #1 choice for your customers by constructing a memorable brand experience that customers will consistently support. This has 648 reviews, 4.9 stars. There's 22 videos in this course, 2 hours of training. There's a free preview if you want to come over and check it out. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, unlimited access anywhere, anytime, and then you learn from hand-vetted instructors, experts in their field. Look, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's only $42. Plus you can sell your skills for at least $42 to help out, to help people build their brand identity on Fiverr. And once you build up your ranks on this, once you build up your reviews, this service will be in high demand, and this will definitely accelerate your business on Fiverr. Link is in the description if you want to take a course. And still, if you don't have any skills, the last thing that you can do is learn on YouTube. You know, there's probably plenty of videos on YouTube. They're not put together like this one in a course. It's going to give you, you know, everything you need to know. There's over 22 videos here. But the biggest thing is, like, go get it on software like Canva. It's free. Start making designs, start building your portfolio, and make sure you put that into, you know, load your portfolio up into Fiverr so that people can see your work. And like I said, if you haven't created anything yet and you want to become a designer, well, get busy and start getting in there and creating something, okay? And then last but not least, if you're just starting out, you know, you can sell your services for $5 just to get some reviews. And again, if you want my Fiverr marketing hacks, go ahead and click the link in the description. Get those hacks. It's everything I've learned in my 2 years of experience to help you accelerate your growth on Fiverr. I give you the fast track. You don't have to do it the slow way like I did, and you can just do it a lot faster. Last but not least, number 5, closing the client. Sometimes when you're talking to somebody about your services, they just need that little nudge, just a little push, just to make that decision, to know that they're making the right decision to purchase your services and get what they're looking for. Now, it's not the easiest thing to do. I know everybody has a little trouble with sales. It took me a little while to get over it, but I've done some extensive training with sales professionals, and I've really learned how to close the client, how to communicate with the client, and take them from first hello to closing the sale and asking for the sale. Actually ask somebody for money, because sometimes that's exactly what we have to do in order for them to make the decision to purchase with us. And because they're gonna make the decision to purchase somewhere, and we just want it to be with us rather than our competitors. Now, again, if you want some deeper training on that, in my Fiverr gig marketing hacks, I put it all in there. Click the link in the description, go ahead and grab that checklist, all my marketing hacks, so we can help you out, build your Fiverr gig profile, accelerate your growth on Fiverr, and have more success than the average graphic designer. Now, if you guys have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this on how you can make money on Fiverr, go ahead and click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be coming out with new videos like this every single week. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.